Hello, different tech buzz, new product in. This time we've got the SXFI Theatre wireless headphones with low latency, and I've been looking forward to getting these and checking them out. So they work with SXFI TV, PC, Mac and PS4, Nintendo Switch. I'd also presume it will work with other things if a USB on the go. It says here the transmitter requires a USB host audio port to operate, and I'm hoping it does work with phones as well, but we'll find out, we'll try it out. So you got 30 hours battery life, low latency transmitter, quick release protein leather earpads, detachable gaming mic, and you've got the app as well. So you have the control and the app itself for personalization and all that kind of stuff there. And it says if you're watching movies, it sounds like you're in cinema. Music sounds like you're at a live concert, and games like you've been dropped into a battlefield. So yeah, pretty much all there. So let's check these out. See what they look like in the flesh. So when you open up the box there, it says as good as the real thing. So let's get into it there now. And here we go. So you have this user guide here, and you have the headphones themselves. And what else do we get? So in here we have got your information, and you've got your wireless transmitter there, which comes with a little dock, which is cool. You also got a mic, which is detachable, which is also cool. You get your 3.5mm, 3.5mm, and you also get your USB-C, USB-A cable there. And that is the headphones there. So they look really nice. I'm going to quickly put them on. Nice and comfortable. So you've got the creative branding up top, nice leather padding there. Deep cups, as you can see, left and right. You've all your buttons on the side here. Everything seems to be on one side. So you've got your power, you've got the SXFI Theatre branding here, same on the side here. So you've got a button for that there, your volume up and down, and your mute, and then you have your 3.5mm, your USB-C, your indicator light, and that is for your mic. So power button, let's see if we've got some LEDs. Oh, we've colour LED on the side as well, which is cool. That's really nice. And your mic's there. So stay after the break, we'll come back with our full review and we'll talk to you then.